Home heater repair after another company couldn't repair it.
Okay, blower motor connected to heat, which is right. Well, the wire's connected to heat. I was gonna say blower motor because how is this motor supposed to turn on? This is to park. This is to park. 115, neutral. So how is this supposed to turn on when the heat wire at the board is capped off, not connected to none of the wires at the board? There we go, wires zip tied, cleaned up, capacitor screwed down, not taped to wires. Let's find out what happens. Sequence of operation, just a draft motor. First the switch closes, send the signal to the board, and the board will send the signal to the hot surface igniter. Igniter is glowing. Once it senses it's glowing, the gas valve will open, just like that, light up. After about 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds of running, the blower motor should turn on. Good to go. It's up and running. It's with repairs, being included out of Coachella, California.